Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to reserve an appointment with me. After you have opened your Canvas course, just come over here to your left bar and click on your calendar. And in order to see available appointments with me, you're going to have to come over here to the right hand side and select Find Appointment. You'll select the course that you want to find an appointment in, and you'll want to make sure that you select our course and submit. Then you'll see available appointments open up. And let's say that you would like to schedule your appointment on a particular day at a particular time. Then you'll just click the small calendar icon for that day and time. I would appreciate if you'd type some comments in there. For example, I am having trouble with section 1.7 word problems. And that just gives me an idea of what you're having some difficulty with. And then I'd like for you to click Reserve. And then once you have reserved that time slot, you'll see it fade out, which means it's not available to other students. It is that simple. That's how you reserve an appointment with me. I welcome appointments and look forward to working with you soon.